LG G6 LCD and Touchscreen Replacement Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your LG G6 phone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The LG G6 has an IP68 water-resistant rating, so the rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the metal body. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the slightly curved rear glass panel from the chassis. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws. Pry up the lower antenna assembly that includes the loudspeaker. Easily lift out the upper antenna assembly that is combined with the wafer-thin NFC and wireless charging panel. Detach the battery connector from the motherboard. Use the exposed plastic pull tab to peel the 3300 mAh 3.8 volt LG G6 battery off the adhesive securing it to the phone. Disconnect the display and USB-C port cables from the bottom of the LG G6 motherboard, and then carefully extract it from the phone. With the spudger in hand, extract the USB Type-C connector and microphone assembly. The next components to surrender are the modular 3.5mm headphone jack, earpiece speaker, and spring contact connected vibrator. Begin to free the 5.7-inch QHD LG G6 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the full vision display to the midframe. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the LG G6 screen from the frame. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.